Okay, students, what I want to show you today is how you're going to find the video link where it will show you how to use StoryJumper. So you should go to StoryJumper.com. You don't have to have the rest of the link written. Just go to www.storyjumper.com. And then it should link you with your particular account in StoryJumper. And then you have this website that you're seeing right now. This is the beginning opening website of StoryJumper. And then you see here on the top, you have home, library, prices, and help. And what I want you to do is click on help. And then you can click on author's guide because you're going to be the author. So in that website, you will see that you can scroll down and find the video called Make Your Book. And so you click on that video link and it will tell you basically how StoryJumper works and how you can create your own book. Okay, thank you.